Now we studied unit first functions and limits. Functions and limit. So we studied first topic is example on examples on range and domain of function. Examples on range and domain of a function. So first example is if f is equal to x square such that x belong to a, where here a is equal to suppose 1 2 3 and b is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Then find the domain and range of a function. Find domain and range of this function. Find domain and range find out करायचे. So first upon solution is first is given that a is equal to 1 2 and 3 and b is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 5 6 7 8 9 10 up to 10. This is first set and this is second. Then first upon we find out also there is a function f is equal to x square such that x belong to a. X belong to a. It is the equation 3 and from equation 1 and 3 1 and 3 equation वरून आपण where from equation 1 and 3 f is equal to 1 1 means 1 and 1 square is 1, 2 and 2 square is 4, 3 and 3 square is 9, means it is the function, it is the set of x and x square. Then what is the domain? Domain is the first element here where x is equal to 1 2 and 3 means first element and x square is the 1 4 and 9. Okay, then as a domain find out करायचं असेल The domain is the first element by definition of domain domainच्या definition of domain of ape काय ना ape is the first element from equation 4 means ape is equal to 1 2 2 4 3 9 is the fourth equation. Then domain is the first element from equation 4 means first element is 1 2 3. First element is 1 2 and 3 and a range of f is the second element from equation 4. Equation 4 मधले second element 2 4 and 9. So 2 4 and 9, hence it is the domain and range of a function. It is the domain of function and it is the second element means range of the function. If it is the range of the function, if xy belong to f, then आपण second example घेऊ. So second example is f of x is equal to 5x plus 3 upon x minus 1. Then first upon given that f of x is equal to 5x plus 3 upon x minus 1. It is the first equation. Then here we taking x minus 1 means denominator 0 later is equal to x is equal to काय ना x is equal to here minus sign here get plus sign, so x minus 1 is equal to 0 असेल तर x is equal to 1. This is second equation. Then by definition ने काय ना तर domain of f is equal to r minus 1, r minus x means r minus 1 by second. x 1 है, so r minus x singleton of x means r minus 1, where r means r is equal to set of real numbers. R means set of real numbers. Now put x is equal to 1 in equation 1. Equation 1 मध्ये x is equal to 1 put करायचं, so we get f of 1 is equal to 5 into 1 plus 3 upon 1 minus 1 is equal to 5 minus into 1 5 plus 3 8 upon 1 minus 1 0. So 8 upon 0 याची व्हॅल्यू आपण फाइंड आउट करू शकत नाही, सो इज नॉट डिफाइंड. 8 upon 0 is not defined. Then we find out codomain of F, codomain of F, codomain of F is equal to R, and range of F is equal to R. Hence, value of F at x is equal to 2. So substitute आता x is equal to 2 पुट करायचा in equation 1. So equation मध्ये x is equal to 2 पुट करायचा. So f of 2 is equal to 5 into 2 plus 3 upon 2 minus 1 is equal to 5 into 2 10, 10 plus 3 upon 2 minus 1 1. So 10 plus 3 is equal to 13 upon 1 is equal to 30. 13. Hence by definition 13 is value of f at x is equal to 2. Means 13 ही f ची व्हॅल्यू येणार. फाइंड इथे आपल्याला 13 ही f at x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 असेल तर 13 व्हॅल्यू येते. Then we study next example. Example second, find the domain and range of the function first x minus 3 to x plus 1 and second x square 1 minus x. So first upon given first equation given f of x is equal to x minus 3 upon 2x plus 1. It is first equation and denominator 0 consider केला is equal to 0. Then 2x is equal to काय ना 2x is equal to minus 1 plus इथे गेलं minus 1. Hence x is equal to काय ना minus 1 upon 2. Then by definition ने काय ना फर्स्ट अपॉन आपल्याला डोमेन फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. सो बाय डेफिनेशन डोमेन ऑफ एफ इज इक्वल टू आर मायनस एक्स. एक्स काय -1 अपॉन 2 बाय इक्वेशन सेकंड इक्वेशनने आपण फाइंड आउट केलं. देन where R means set of real numbers. Then put x is equal to minus 1 by 2 in equation 1 मध्ये पुट केल्यावर f of minus 1 by 2 is equal to x जागी minus 1 by 2 minus 3 upon 2 into x means minus 1 by 2 plus 1 means x जागी minus 1 by 2 पुट केल्यावर इथे काय होणार minus 1 minus 3 into 2 upon 2 upon 2 ला 2 कॅन्सल होणार and minus 1 plus 1 means which is equal to minus 1 minus 3 into 2 6 upon 2 and minus 1 into 0 means minus 7 minus 1 minus 6 minus 7 upon 2 upon 0 is upon 0 आलं की is not defined. हे आपण डिफाइन करू शकत नाही. सो फर्स्ट अपॉन इट इज नॉट डिफाइंड. देन आता आपल्या डोमेन मिळाला आहे. सो आता रेंज ऑफ फंक्शन फाइंड आउट करू. हेन्स कोडोमेन of f is equal to r. कोडोमेन काय ना रियल नंबर येणार and range of f is also r. r means real number means the domain भेटला आणि it is the range of function is r. Then we solve this second example. So 1 minus x square never 0. So it is the domain of f is equal to r and range of f is equal to r plus means x square is always positive. Then we study next example. Find the domain and range of function f of x is equal to root x minus 2 upon x upon 3 minus x. Find the range and domain of a function. Then first upon given that f of x is equal to root x minus 2 3 minus x. Hence f of x is equal to root x minus 2 upon 3 minus x. Since root m upon n is equal to root m upon root n, where here root m is equal to root x minus 2 and root n is equal to root 3 minus x. Hence f of x is defined only for x minus 2 greater than equal to 0 and 3 minus x greater than 0, means x is greater than equal to 2 and 3 is greater than x. Hence 2 less than x and 3 less than or equal and x less than 3. Hence 2 less than or equal to x and x less than 3 असं rearranging केलं. Then by transitive property, suppose a less than b and b less than c, then a less than b less than c, means 2 less than or equal to x and x less than 3 असं असेल तर 2 less than or equal to x less than 3. It is transitive property, hence domain of f is the 2 less than or equal to x less than 3, or domain of f 2 less than or equal to x less than 3, or it is the 2 semi-open less than or equal to means closed interval, and it is the open interval means closed open interval 2 3, open interval 2 3. Hence for any value of कोणत्याही व्हॅल्यूसाठी 2 3, the corresponding f of x is कसं आहे ना, f of x is real number, because 2 3 है real number है, so set 2 3 is the set of real numberचा सेट आहे. Hence range काय ना, range of f is equal to set of real numbers R is the range of a function. Then Next point is then we study next example. Find the domain and range of the function. F of x is equal to 1 upon root 5 minus x. So first upon given f of x is equal to 1 upon root 5 minus x. This is first equation. Here f of x is defined for 5 minus x greater than 0. If 5 minus x less than 0, it is not defined. Hence 5 greater than x आहे. सो आपण कसं रिअरेंज करू शकतो तर x लेस दॅन 5. Since shifting x towards right, hence for any value x less than 5, the f of x is a x less than 5 असेल तर f of x काय असणार, f of x is the real number and domain of f is x less than 5. x less than 5 means 5 पेक्षा लहान मायनस इन्फिनिटी पर्यंत असू शकतो. हेन्स रेंज ऑफ एफ is the set of real numbers R म्हणजे डोमेन x लेस दॅन 5 पेक्षा x लहान असेल and range of function the set of real numbers are. Then it is the domain and range. Find out domain and range of a function. Then we studied types of function. Types of function. So last chapter we studied first type is 1-to-1 function, or it is also called injective function. आता 1-to-1, what is meant by 1-to-1 function? So a function f from a to b is said to be 1-to-1 one function if AB belong to A and A not equal to B, then f of A not equal to f of B in B. म्हणजे सपोज f of A is equal to f of B असेल, then which is equal to A is equal to B, where AB belong to A. आपण एक्झाम्पल बघू. सपोज A हा एरो डायग्राम बघू. A हा असा सेट आहे की 1 2 3 and 4 and B हा सेट असा आहे A B C D E and F. जे सपोज 1 हा B ला अटॅच असेल, 2 हा E ला अटॅच असेल, 3 हा F ला अटॅच असेल and 4 हा C ला अटॅच आहे. म्हणजे f of A is equal to f of B असेल तर A is equal to B असं असेल तर it is 1 to 1 फंक्शन. ही कंडिशन लक्षात ठेवायची. f of A is equal to f of B is equal to A is equal to B, then it is 1 function, 1 to 1 function. Then second type is many one function. Many one function means it is meant by many one function is a function f from A to B is said to be many one function if for some elements of A have same image in B. Means here A not equal to B, but A not equal to B असतं पण but f of A is equal to f of B. आपण एरो डायग्रामने बघू. many to one function means suppose A here 1 2 3 4 and 5 and A B C D E F. सपोज 1 हे A ला पण जोडलेलं असेल, 5 ला पण, मीन्स मेनी वन फंक्शन मीन्स एकाच A मधील वन एलिमेंट एकाच एलिमेंटला जोडला असतील, 2 एलिमेंट एका एलिमेंटला जोडला असेल तर many element and here only one element, so it is many one function. then 2 समजा D ला जोडला आणि हा 3 पण मीन्स इथे मेनी एलिमेंट आहेत, इथे 1 एलिमेंट, सो इट इज मेनी वन एलिमेंट फंक्शन. देन 4 and F 4F ला जोडलेला असेल, 5A ला जोडलेला आहे. म्हणजे एखादं जरी फंक्शन 2 एलिमेंट दोन एलिमेंट एका एलिमेंटला जोडलेले असतील इट इज मेनी वन फंक्शन or this is condition. Then third is onto function. Onto function, it is also called surjective function. Surjective function. What is meant by surjective function? Let function f from a to b is said to be onto functions if every element of b is a image of some element of A. Means suppose we draw this arrow diagram. It is A set and B set. Suppose it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and it is A, B, C, D and E. आता 1 B and 3 ला जोडलेला आहे 2 A ला 4 C ला 5 E ला 6 D ला is said to be onto function if every element of B is the image of some element of A. Suppose A हा B चा इमेज आहे B चा एलिमेंट आहे सपोज B हा B चा एलिमेंट आहे आणि इज अ इमेज ऑफ सम एलिमेंट ऑफ A. आता या दोन एलिमेंटचा B हा इमेज आहे सो इट इज म्हणजे बीचा एकच एलिमेंट दोन एलिमेंटशी अटॅच असेल तर त्याला इट इज ऑन टू फंक्शन. देन नेक्स्ट इज into function. Into function means what is meant by into function? A function f from A to B is said to be into function if there is an element of B which is not image of any element of A. म्हणजे suppose it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and it is A, B, C, D and E. Suppose 3 हा B ला अटॅच असेल 5 ला अटॅच असेल 4 हा E ला अटॅच आहे means into functions is said to be into function if there is an element of B which is not image of any element of A. म्हणजे C आणि D हे कोणत्याही एलिमेंटची इमेज नाही आहे एमध्ये. सो इट इज इंटू फंक्शन. म्हणजे एकाची जरी इमेज नसेल एमध्ये मीन्स यामध्ये अटॅच कोणीच नाही आहे, त्यामुळे इट इज इंटू फंक्शन. Then last type of function is one and onto function. Means they are bijection. Two function 1 and onto. There is a bijection. So what is meant by 1 and onto function? So a function f from A to B is said to be bijection if it is 1 and onto. 1 and onto दोन्ही असेल तर it is bijection function. Suppose आपण arrow diagram घेऊ. It is A, it is B. 1, 2, 3, 4 and A, B, C and D. 1 हा C ला अटॅच आहे, 2 A ला, 3 D ला, 4 B ला. आता 1 and C, 1 हा C ला अटॅच आहे, 2 हा A ला, 3 हा D ला, म्हणजे प्रत्येक एलिमेंट एकाच एलिमेंटला अटॅच आहे. सो इट इज 1 फंक्शन अँड इट इज ऑल्सो and it is also onto function because A हा 2 ला अटॅच आहे, म्हणजे याचा प्रत्येक एलिमेंट याला अटॅच आहे. सो इट इज ऑल्सो onto function. Hence this function is 1 and onto function.